Welcome to this brand new training video coming back to you from Clickbank Success Channel. In this video, I'm going to show you and teach you how you could create powerful, high converting, Google friendly Clickbank affiliate money making pages within minutes. Okay, and it's gonna be a very important video for so many of you guys who's been asking me that, can you please tell us how to create bridge pages, how to create these kind of high converting pages. And I'm going to show you a unique method to create these powerful high converting Clickbank money making pages that you could use, and you could also use it for Google paid traffic because it's Google friendly pages. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then please smash the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. I am helping my customers. Some of my students have gone to make multiple 5 and 6 figures online. All right, it's not going to cost you any single dime to do this. It's a 1-second job. Just smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so whenever I come up with a brand new training video, you're the first one to watch it. Okay, if you have any kind of questions, leave a comment for me, let me know. Okay, and I will be more than happy to assist you. I'm here to help you. Don't forget to add this video to your favorites. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more training on how to become a multiple 6-figure and 7-figure earner, and you want to become a traffic expert, then there's going to be the links in the description below this video. Just like this, what you're seeing on the screen, you're going to see my channel, and under the channel you're going to see screens like this and links like this. You could click on those links and you could start learning all the top methods and the currently money-making methods that is working right now and taking the internet by storm. Okay, and also don't forget, if you want to actually become a partner and you want to learn one-on-one from me, you want some Skype sessions, you want some Skype mentoring sessions, then reach out to me on Facebook. Okay, I'm here to help you. I want you to succeed, and I want you to have a successful internet business that provides time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. Okay, so let's dive into this. How do you create money making pages that you could promote Clickbank offers? Now, there are so many ways to do this. You could do this using Google Sites. So you could just head over to sites.google.com and you could start having these money making pages that you could create for free. Okay, there's another website you could go to. You could go to Wix.com. You could create these money making pages using Wix.com. You could use other third-party softwares like ClickFunnels, and you could create money making pages like these ones that I am using right now. This is a money making pages that converts extremely well and making thousands and thousands of dollars. This type of video, these type of pages are making thousands and thousands of dollars for so many other members. Okay, so I'm going to show you a unique way to make Clickbank affiliate money making pages within minutes that's Google friendly, and you could also generate Google paid traffic, certain types of paid traffic to those pages that will work absolutely fine, and you could start getting some insane amounts of conversions. Okay, so let's dive into this. By the way, if you want to learn about Facebook traffic, a lot of people have been saying, can you please tell us anything about Facebook traffic? Does Facebook work with Clickbank? Can you promote Clickbank offers on Facebook? Then the answer is yes. You could promote Facebook Clickbank offers on Facebook. You can see the screenshot right in front of your eyes. These are people who's making thousands and thousands of dollars on a daily basis with Clickbank, promoting Clickbank offers on Facebook. If you want to learn more about Facebook traffic with Clickbank, then the link is just on the screen there. Just go there. You're going to get a free training, and you're going to be learning exactly how people are getting insane amounts of conversions and making $1,000 plus a day promoting Clickbank offers with Facebook ads. Okay, so this is the link what you're seeing on the screen. Okay, so let's dive into this. Okay, so I'm going to show you a unique, powerful way to create Clickbank money making pages, and in this case I'm going to use a software. The software is called Cartel. This software is absolutely amazing. Okay, you could create powerful money making pages within minutes, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this. Okay, so once you're in the software, you're going to come to big money making pages. You're going to click on add new money making pages. Okay, you're going to put your project name here. So in this case, I'm just going to put something like commission hero. You could put anything. You could even promote a weight loss offer. You could also promote business opportunities. You could promote any offer you want, okay? And you could create these kind of money making pages within minutes. So let's just get back to the video, and we're going to put a headline here, something like how to make $1,000 a day online without a website. All right, we're going to scroll down, and now we're going to put a video here. Now this video is going to be like a bridge page video. For instance, this is a bridge page I created with another opportunity, another income stream. Okay, this is nothing to do with Clickbank. I created this bridge page video. This is a bridge page video that leads them to another opportunity. So you're going to have a Clickbank page similar to this one, all right, and people, they're going to be you're going to lead them to the Clickbank affiliate offer. By the way, this bridge page was not created using Cartel software. I created this bridge page using my using the third party software called ClickFunnels. Okay, so you could do this with any software, any tools, but I'm showing you how to do this with this powerful drag and drop Cartel software. So you need to have a video on your computer so you could upload it. Now you could get videos from Clickbank if you just head over to clickbank.com, and if you're going to promote any offer, just say I'm on the weight loss page, you just go to the affiliate, sign up, and they're going to give you some ready-made done for you videos that you could use as a bridge page to intensify and lead people to your Clickbank affiliate offer. All right, so let's just go back, and I'm going to upload my video. So I'm going to come back here, and there you go, that's my video. I'm going to click on upload. All right, okay, let's just wait for this. So there you go, this is done. The video has been uploaded. By the way, if you can't find any videos in the affiliate managers, and you don't see any videos, especially for the offers that you want to promote, then guess what? With this software, they have done for you webinar videos for you as well. So you could see some of the Clickbank offers that you could select from here. So they have this John Crestani super affiliate system as well. If you just click on select, and you could get the video, they're going to have the video already populated for you to upload, and you could start promoting John Crestani's super affiliate offer that pays, I think, around $400 commissions. Is a high ticket offer on Clickbank. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to scroll down and you're going to choose this button. So this is the button, and I'm just going to click on something like click here to activate this now. I'm going to change the color. I love red in this case, so I'm going to put red. Right, there you go. And now you want to choose the seconds. So when should this button appear on your bridge page? So this video is around 1 minute long, so I want this to appear after 45 seconds. All right, so I'm just going to put 45 seconds, and this is where you're going to put your Clickbank affiliate link. All right, so I'm going to go to my desktop. Okay, let me just open my desktop, come here, and let me get the affiliate link for this Clickbank offer. So let's just wait for it to load. This is a powerful software, by the way. Cartel is extremely cheap and affordable for anyone who wants this. You could click the link in the description, all right, in the description below this video, and grab this software. It's very, very cheap. I love this software. It's a very easy to use interface to create high converting Clickbank affiliate money making pages. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description below this video for you to check out and see what you could do with this. So I'm going to get my Clickbank affiliate link from here. All right, so I'm just going to come here, grab this here, I'm going to paste it here, just put my Clickbank username. So all right, there you go, and this is looking quite good. So I'm just going to click on save and publish. All right, so there you go, this is my page. I'm going to click on view and check it Boom. There you go. Look at this. Look at this, my friend. Now, guess what? Once a person starts watching this video, after 45 seconds, that button is going to appear and people are going to be redirected to the Clickbank affiliate offer. Now, I told you that you could use these pages to drive Google paid traffic. One of the Google paid traffic campaign, which is YouTube ads. Okay, now if you want to learn more about YouTube ads, how to use these money making pages and create a powerful Google YouTube campaign, okay, to drive insane amounts of traffic, then make sure you head over to my channel and watch this video, which I uploaded just 3 days ago, called Clickbank for Beginners Free Affiliate Marketing Tutorial. In that video, I am teaching you step by step how to create these money-making pages and how to create a powerful campaign using Google to drive traffic to these money-making pages and to get conversions. All right. I'm also teaching you how to turn free credits into $1,000 paydays. Okay. So you could watch this video. Make sure you watch this video. Once you finish watching this video, watch this video. It's a complete tutorial on how to drive Google traffic. Now, let me explain why Google accept this offer for YouTube ads. Look at this. Once you create this page using the Cartel software, look at what they have. They have the copyright, they have the disclaimer, they have the privacy, they have the terms of use. Everything built in for you. All right. A lot of people have been struggling with this. If you create a money-making page using another platform, you will have to come up with your own copyright, own disclaimer, own privacy, and own terms of use. And a lot of people have been asking me this question: where shall I get this from? I don't know where to get. I don't know what to write. Cartel software is giving you everything done for you, ready-made. Okay, so this is a page. You're going to be driving traffic to this. This is a bridge page. People get excited, and guess what? That button appears. They click on it and they go to the Clickbank affiliate offer, and you make a commission. This is how powerful this Cartel software is. Now, if you want to grab this software, the link is in the description, okay, below this video. You could grab this software very, very cheap. Now, let me explain another one more feature that this software has. Okay, they have a feature called keyword research. So you could go to keyword suggestions and you could do so many keyword research. So I could put something like how to make money online. All right, and I want to search for YouTube, no Bing, not Yahoo, not Google, not Amazon, not eBay, just YouTube. So I'm going to click on this, and guess what? So this software is going to please add a campaign. So I need to add a campaign. Let me just do that quickly first. All right, I'm going to put something like make money, and there you go, campaign added. Now we could go to keyword research, keyword suggestion. Let's just do the same thing, how to make money online. All right, and there you go. Look what this software is doing, my friend. Okay, this software is spitting out all the top videos from YouTube that is monetized, and you could select those videos for your YouTube traffic campaign. Okay, more explained in this video here. I have explained everything on how to create these campaigns. So this software is doing all the hard work for you. Now, you could do this manually, but you could do this on completely autopilot by using this software. Then you could come here as well, monetize videos. You could search for videos. You could search for keywords. You could do so many things. Now, I could add all these videos to my campaigns and then just copy and paste it into my Google traffic, AdWords traffic for YouTube. And guess what? I will be getting highly targeted traffic to my offer because my offer is related to these video content. Okay, so this is what this software is doing. So this is a very, very good software. The software is called Cartel. You could grab this software. It's extremely cheap. The link is going to be in the description below this video. I just showed you two powerful features that you could do with this Cartel software. It is absolutely amazing software. Create these big fat money making pages, high converting clickbank money making pages that has the terms of conditions, privacy policy, disclaimer, everything, and it's Google friendly for YouTube ads. And also Also, you could do some keyword research and find out which YouTube video is getting the most getting a lot of views and it is monetizable, so you could select those videos for your offer to appear before their video, so you get targeted traffic and high converting traffic. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you love this video, like this video. Okay, if you have any questions, leave a comment for me, let me know. All right, and if you want to learn about Facebook ads, you want to promote Clickbank offers on Facebook, then there's the link on the screen. You could head over to that link, you could register your account for free, and guess what, you're going to get absolutely free training learning exactly step by step how you could create these ads and how other people are succeeding using this. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.